In this video, I'm going to go over 5 different lighting techniques that will really transform the feel, mood, and atmosphere of your home, and you're going to love them. This channel is primarily about real estate, but beyond representing clients buying and selling homes, I just love the idea of what makes a house feel like a home, and so I thought I'd do a little series on that. And another thing that inspired this series is that a few weeks ago I became a grandma, and it got me to thinking about things. And I remembered that long before my daughter was born, like several years before she was born, I stumbled across this book called Birth Without Violence by Frederick Leboyer. And you're probably wondering, what on earth does this have to do with lighting your home? But it does, so just bear with me for just a moment. This book talks about how when a baby is born, going from being in the womb in total darkness into typically a hospital room full of bright lights, that it can be very shocking and jarring to the baby and to the nervous system. And he talks about planning for the birth in a way where you have dimmed lighting and not all those bright lights. And that got me to thinking about the lighting in our homes. Nighttime is a time to relax and calm the nervous system. And how can we do that with all these bright lights lighting up every room in our home? And then we go to bed and wonder why we can't sleep. And all this electricity is affecting us. Before electricity, we used candles and firelight, and all of the 5 lighting techniques that I'm going to go over in this video kind of mimic that fire glow and create a more relaxing environment. So let's get right into the 5 lights that you are going to absolutely love. This first one is one of my all-time favorites. It actually kind of even looks like a flame in a fire, but it's called a flowering lotus lamp. The lampshade is silk and the base is ebony, and they come in 2 different sizes. I have one of each. I have a smaller one on my night table and the bigger one in my living room on a table. And this is just a stunning lamp. I can't say enough about how much I love it, about the warm glow that it creates in the room, and people always comment on it when they come over. They actually come in many color options, but I just love the lighting that creates that warm orange fire glow. The one I have is called Citrus. But even if you got the white one, it would still be less harsh than a regular white overhead light, and it's just super cute. So this lamp is from a store called Ohm Gallery, and their link is below in the description, and they're all about fair trade, so I love that. And they actually carry 3 of the 5 lighting ideas that I'm going to go over today in this video, so let's get into the second one. So another light that I absolutely love is the paper star lanterns, and these just create such a sweet feel in a room. Like the Lotus lamps, even if you got a white star lamp, it would still create a softer feel than just a regular white light. So they're really great, even the white ones. So I just love these lamps. I have 3 of them in my home. I have 2 of the orangish red in my living room, and then I actually have the white one in my guest bedroom. These are also great for a baby or a child's room. You can choose from countless colors and patterns. I just happen to gravitate towards the orange and reds. They're all handcrafted in India and made from recycled material, and they're only $26.99, and the link is below in the description. Okay, the third light that I absolutely love from Ohm Gallery is their salt lamps. I have had my salt lamp for years. I absolutely love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Ohm Gallery has, again, many choices of styles and all different shapes and sizes of salt lamps. They even have an aromatherapy salt lamp, which I don't have yet, but I think I should get. So those 3 were all from Ohm Gallery. The link is below, and of course you can check out all the other amazing lights that they have on their website. And let's get into the next 2. So this next one is called a Turkish mosaic lamp, and they come in all different shapes and sizes and colors. Again, I just like the orange and red ones, but they're all really beautiful. I have a small one on my night table and another actually small one, but it hangs from the ceiling above my island in my kitchen. So when I'm not cooking, when I'm cooking, I have all the bright white lights on so that I can see what I'm doing. But when I'm in the kitchen and I'm not cooking, I love to just have this mosaic light on just for ambiance. It's just a very unique and pretty way to create that calm environment for your nervous system in the evening. Okay, so this last one I actually bought at Halloween time because they're little orange kind of Christmas lights, but for Halloween they're orange, and I think you've figured out by now that I like that orange candle fire glow lighting. You can also use the white Christmas lights that you get with the white cord instead of the green cord. I have some of those in my guest bathroom so that when guests come over it's just a nice softer lighting for them. But if you get the white Christmas lights, I think you're going to want to get the warm, not the cool. They come in either warm or cool, and the cool kind of has a blue type of a look, and the warm is just a little more yellowish, which I think is more calming. And I also did a video on aromatherapy diffusers. It's not the same one from Ohm Gallery. I do want to get one of those, but I just have the straight aromatherapy diffuser that's not also a combination salt lamp, and you can watch that video right here. So all of these lights are linked below in the description, and I really think that any one or a combination of all of them will really change the way you feel in the evening when you turn those bright lights off and just use more of these subtle warm lighting techniques, and could help you sleep better, and it just creates a great feel in the home that I love, and I hope you enjoy them also.